Nahirapan ka ba kapag nagbago ang nakasanayan mo? Para sa mabungang buhay, tayo na po at magkape at padasal. Feeling complacent in your routine? Jesus' words in Matthew serve as a powerful reminder against complacency, urging us to remain vigilant and purposeful in our daily lives. The story of Noah and the flood illustrates this truth perfectly. People were caught completely off guard, living their lives as usual until it was too late. This narrative isn't meant to inspire fear, but rather to encourage a proactive approach to faith and life. It's a call to action to live each day with intention, integrity, and a sense of readiness so that we are not left behind when unexpected challenges or opportunities arise. This preparedness isn't about knowing the future, but about living a life so aligned with our values and purpose that we are always ready for what comes next. Manalangin po tayo. Panginoon, tulungan mo kaming mamuhay ng may layunin at manatiling mapagbantay sa aming pananampalataya upang lagi kaming handang salubungin ka. Amen.